Hello, my name is Brianna Fernandez, and today I will be discussing heat capacity. So what is heat capacity? Heat capacity is the amount of energy it takes to convert to increase the temperature of 1 mole of a material by 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin. Kelvin and Celsius can be used interchangeably in this sense because they are linearly related. This means that we can plug them into our equation and we should get the same heat capacity. Another thing important to note is that heat capacity is dependent on the phase that we are in. So depending on gas, liquid, or solid, we will get a different heat capacity despite the material being the same. Another thing to note is that heat capacity is temperature dependent. So this might be confusing because I used to see heat and energy as one. I would confuse them all the time, but basically what this means is that if a material is at a higher temperature, it will take a lot more energy for the higher temperature material to increase in temperature, whereas if we compare it to a lower temperature material, it will take much less energy. So why is heat capacity important in my field and for everyone else in this world? Well, if you think about it, we live in an atmosphere and a world where there is gas, liquids, and solids. Our atmosphere is gas, our water is liquid, and then we have land that is solid. Understanding these heat capacities and memorizing the heat capacities will teach us a lot about how our world works. For example, water has a very high heat capacity, meaning that it takes a lot of energy to heat up water, whereas metal has a very low heat capacity, meaning that it takes a lot less to heat up metal. This is very true and can be seen in our everyday lives, and it just teaches us a lot about how our energies are cycled throughout the world, and can also be even gone to the extent of teaching us how we regulate body temperature and how our system is mainly made up of water. So our body temperature is very similar to that of water. Our heat capacity. That is the end of my video. Thank you all for watching.